Mabobo Adam. Your mama so suru because obi tie soja. Eka so be kuno. Usuru. Your mama so suru. See be kuno. Obi ki kan kwasi asem say. Yes President Mahama wua. Please come on stop this nonsense. Na ko bubu ne pono ni ade na ye ne tantantan say ya. You must be crazy to do these things. What gonna na ya adwuma ni. Say Obama no criticize IGP. And say mu hunu ye di areho mu me ni na say funu ko a. Say Obama no ye kromfo. Wako wi ade. Wako mu nipa. Fante comedy no aye. Enye Fante comedy ne make his statement na. Omo si Obama ne say meku president. Metwa lodine. So be assist say yan konko ye investigation yade ne sha hankofum e de amu yade no ho se de obi se president ngu edidi abayi ti anya ndai say Obama because of criticize IGP Shatawale I say Fiasho Snega woni wo bone wo chena no woni waji ni
na abusia enra national security operatives ene Ghana police service no joint operation ekochechi nipa mako and 94 na nipa 4 ya chi omo no na omo ye MPP social media activists ma emu miensa de omano ana akwakọ yi omuka issue threats edema Ghana mampani ne yire ne abamu mpanifo menne a police for asomo pechi na ba ko so no ye chi no echire ya no ye friend se Obama ono so de enti echire mu se wakọ publish etuo ho ade wo Facebook tintankese ne so menne omu nyina no ye de o makopie court ma court no amamu bail but ena make say omu da so dem na me de ensam court details ni exclusive videos ni omo maye ni nyina no me de ebro wo kasafidie so ye from Dan Kwesi Prince aha daily view GH so mesrew se oba no subscribe we share wa comment free baby a hwe free na ebusia no etimi akoso akonanim na before ye beko yensem ne so di exclusive ni bi de abero no. This episode is proudly brought to you by JP Global Shipping Limited. Na empanifo se amanfo manso anauti abrochire US echirichine benche na obo ho adwa wato to ne ma bia opese ye shipe de fa wiem anase ye defense so na ye shipe ekra de bre wo man kronkron magana mu ha fa odadwen wabisa de no odadwen nyina no kwato JP Global Shipping Limited so ye beje oniema na shipe de abra wo Ghana ha na bibia no atumi adimu benifo se eye car shipping na opese wo ye equipment home appliance electronic gadgets eye spare parts anase niema bia ye shipe de sinso so de fa wiem bia ma ne ye bia no JP Global Shipping se ye beboa wo na oniema no ababedu o man kronkron magana mu o ye door to door delivery nyina benifo chire mu so omo wo discount special discount so a yes ede amount fanames na da school so na Fred test WhatsApp na je emu enchire mu eyi abusia yemra yesem ne so na ene me de ebo baako ebeku enoma mienu efise the same party story ana me de ebrewo na enra no ana Ghana police service no ede beto ho se omo ni national security operatives akwachi nipa miensa baako din ede Prince Ofori na hote din ede Fante comedy wotin tankese no so biaya ye frɛ no TikTok ene abaywa baako no nso eka ho ye frɛ no Yayira Abiu ana brante baako no nso etuam ono nso ye frɛ no Emmanuel Kwachi ena make say Ghana police service no dia beto se ya so mo pachi na omoboni omaye ne se enano da ya etwamu ya no ana omoba TikTok live na eye di hosti eye live no eye Prince Ofori ye frɛ no Fante comedy or da screen isuwe
me a one pebo na me kra de na nka yi na me pen sa sa me je fi kwasi ampeni ampa wono ana na me expect se nko ka ho hwe sa oboasi MP a wo wu bi de na wo jina ye hwe se ya to abawie wo se chenchira ho de force be gise wa wini ekwafa wo nkwala wo boys ba mo be bu city MP ebe bu NPP ni no mutwetwe ne sabio mutwetwe ne hwa ne kwati nyina edi nnua ene nsika nyina gina le so na wo ka se ko wada yes
ene emrantie ne maba we omo kasa me no nam so Ghana police service kiremu se yakọ akwakochiom enti eno anokra na ye chi omo a Fante comedy ene ni di agent na ha wotintankase no so pa.
The security agencies are looking for him graciously, both in person voluntarily, under the invitation upon which he was arrested. Then the police come to court asking the court to remand him. It is clearly unfair, because if the court had heeded to the plea of the police or the prosecution, that would have been a miscarriage of justice, because this person appeared to stand trial. He appeared personally because he notes and admits that he's innocent, and that he's ready to face trial if the prosecution is minded to pursue the matter. And the court graciously heeded to our prayer and granted the accused person's bail. We are looking at the prosecution. They are minded to proceed on the charges and the brief facts as filed before this court. We graciously appear before the court and argue our case out. And we believe solemnly that the will of God and the will of justice will grind in favor. Thank you.
Na abayo ba kwa no kan won no ye friend ya yira abi wu ne die ye se ebra de yetoto na no na ye so collapse ye born abomo de no kwa ye police hospital ene ono no eje ayarehwa ebusia ene ameka se ye de Fante comedy ene nipa kakra ye chichi omo kan ho no oba ne de ono da so wo hospital ye de omo court ama court no agrant omo bail but still na no omo police custody na anche ana Ghana Police Service no ede ebeto ho echire mu se ene ameka se omo akwakokochi abrantie bia ono so ye friend Daniel Adomakun na hotedin ede se Obama pokuase oye MPP social media activist ni bi ene na no odin wotintankese ne so pa na ono so kwa du a police for de ahwe na ni echi ne se brandishing of gun na ene ohwe mfuni ya brantie no post we na ene ne hu akwakodi adwamu a police for nsem ene ye de ne ekokoto yi na ene post no ohwe video ni bia ha asam ne ekokoto ntimi play videos ni bi nkire oba heart sa so ati asiu eti post we ana ene police for ejina so ede ache se Obama pokuase ha ene abrantie no o chiro bi papa na ebusia enya sem keto
ahomachi enya ko se yin enya chi share pictures and videos on social media. Why would the whole police administration, national security, with men of about 8 people, and the sirens near the Abekwa, just one young man? I mean, the charges and allegations, no treason. They can't say to Abayabu, and I said, I am murder, I am misdemeanor, and I can't say misdemeanor. Not just say offenses now, Nasa Bonino, they saw publication of false news. Intika Ubeti for phone, Afreni panel. So Obama. Police here, why ABCD about to do the point? He would have made himself available together with his counsel. Now, much abroad in the year and in a ma, now could Bubu Seno, then you face that person away, only to end up in court for the person to be granted bail because the allegations and charges are frivolous. Police statement on issue in the paragraph 3. The police administration admits by virtue of investigations based on the allegations are on social media, they've been able to retrieve arms and ammunition. But you are saying it's a statement near force. Nobody saying go for arms and ammunition. Also said many of force in the meanwhile, also catching through your official police statement say you have retrieved arms and ammunition from the public, from citizens. What a contradiction. At this time, yeah, what court? Naka time court. Almost every time had closed. And circuit court that had to be recorded. The MLA crimes bedroom court. Yes, you court 8. Yes, you court 7. Oh, yes, you court 9. Yes, you court 11. I say the justice, not the liberties of people. Ebusia na o my lawyers. N70 B ana yako akokoti ni bi eno no. Na after no, ana Okatakyie Afrifa se sabi eburu sabi mpreduasa. The NDC Chiyamanyoku ababetena so ase omuchiro mutumi e Ghana fo so no sabi ensem
Shatawali boy ya no enano enre ya na minya se bo ma yusu no ja no o sa shata no ya beto aba no na ne nkasa ye bi ni ade na wo ka bibua jo Mahama so beba ni ameboa ana omu yusu ni following ndi nya vote ni ade na wo mu wie gogovi afa ya di yoko no na omu yeso shata ni de enche na adwene no atiasi na ye man kwan ni undistracted no ebekwa akowiesi ba akowiesi obesa kan bi kura tiaye tie na muni kan nwura no an wo ye no akotoka na wo ye no mso ani ka no kura no do toma obi e ma obi ne betoma obi no ya chi sa nipa no wo eye kan say America etie ni sa nipa na ye chi no eye fraud process na fa ye say tie ni ya je satan ka no asi ejiwe ni eni kan ma satan na kan no atu na sa ni ye yusu nipa mo na mo yusu shata ana mo ye sese ni ade ave mu ba ya mo se yusu ade na shata na ma ne lawyers atwera ko FBI ne hwanwan se meka ya mpa no so lawyer ne twera ko na FBI na ma yi se ade Etuem no ka say shatter so prepare so be si wo. Na wo yes an so ye, nya sa ne brand no. Wo mo ye ase no. Why? Wo mo ye ase no. If say ye nya de sa. Shatter e waboa mu. Na afa mu yusu ni nya ne fancy ni we ya. Na de mo de ye no ni. If say anka shatter na no antumu a. Won de enche wo ese fia so snega. Won wo bone wo chena no won wo ye ni ade. Na we afia age mo number. So wo de mo perfume so no e mane. Wo de beba. Why? Menene di nkomo em say 3 days or 4 days. Ai wo frey. Na me na menene number ni ade na. Menene no so aye ne kama. Se me amenu ahu. Sister brother. Fante comedy die ya ba ne ye kan wasema. Yes na ho machi sorry ye. Se Obama poku ase. Ono so yakwa kobubu ne dan ani tantan adan ya police in the release by na police in releasing we will look at it and we will ask questions. Si abobo adamo se de be ne ye nioma basa ye mumra bobi tantan na sabi se Obama no ye kromfo wako wiade wako munipa afa police in releasing was say se Obama mra meboa no wete da bi mabobo adam if say obi meboa with investigation sa na ye no ye be hwemra ne de asie edi Fante comedy mo de no dani boss audio kro ne yenti
mesramo na me say ye host
we da bi we dani fa second one bra we pen out chain okay o say no me there no 2 pages so be refi so there is a video purportedly say yes Fante comedy ana o hosti a TikTok live ana ababa we be a mo friend Ghana Jollof e ba so na oba so no ana yes ababa wa Ghana Jollof no be kan say you look up to here hwe from me ade your mama kura na yes nka owu first of all we must emphasize say with the introduction of new media for the record I support a free speech any day, anytime.
Precisely.
Just that I also believe that free speech should not be reckless.
Exactly.
So Obi Kikankwasi Asem say, yes, President Mahama, please come on, stop this nonsense. That's not the way to go. You may not like him. Exactly. You may not like his governance. There's nothing wrong with it. But now, President Mahama may support this. Some of us have made such mistakes in the past.
Exactly.
We don't believe that is the way to build nations. So President Mahama now on the and fine go say stop that crap. So we are not in any way, shape or form defending Obano and our Fante comedy. No, we are looking at the details of it without any emotions. Say yes, we'll be a cancer. And yeah, Fante comedy who still be on TikTok and will be a bar and will say President Mahama. We no Obane kana utie kasa no and Obane kase. President Mahama Miss Mekuno, but utie logically now or about juju semani ade na mekuno ye de be shebotom ne ade stupid comment very stupid. Ghana Jollof or whatever your name is, I won't support this comment any day anytime and you be try the thing fine. Okay, so then you see a kwache Fante comedy ni abusa se na Fante comedy na kai o say there be na nyo no na kai dia e dey see as NDC o ko odi a rally na so be gina platform no so na wo keka Nkwasi Asem say dey be a Ghana Jollof be kai ya see ye jai nipa no no ye yi no ni akwache organizers no na organizers in the committee cry unless say the modern Fante comedy and they say mostly abatement of a certain crime. But crime near there. You better read this section 75 and 74 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 29. What it says about threat of harm and threat of death. You better read it in there are elements of a crime. Cases be support here. So you better cases in nobody should come and sit here. Police in the report now be a police in the report dani zoom in now you ready near police in or more report you want more release or more buy. Okay, so police statement on a year arrest of Daniel Admako, Prince Ofori and 2 others. So Daniel Admako was the Ghana Police Service in collaboration with other security agencies has arrested Mr. Daniel Admako, known on social media as Obama Pokuasi, earlier today. Now he goes on to say that his arrest is part of the ongoing intelligence-led operation by the police and the other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in the illegal possession and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting the police in as opposed to and contrary to the
Exactly.
he is assisting. Will be assisting police. That means all police in America assisting investigations into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegal acquired sophisticated weapons. So yenya say Obama dey so yenya education. First of all, police must release actually say he is assisting. Now person will be no assisting. So here say Obama can be referred to as more or less a whistleblower.
Exactly.
Our person oba ebe bua state Emma state need me investigation. It is a me kwa me amtie. Say me information bi na state no pay. Say me fa mu anu a mabo badam. Ye kokko bubu ne dan. Asani a friend se bra. E fa ne dan na omko ye fa no pa. E dom kokko ye ho no pa no. Ko fa tro ne pe. So obi mo ema bua wo. Emi assist with investigation. Say ne ye no. It is investigations now we and the nipa na brandish weapon. One of the persons I rely on as a state witness. I say Obama. Now go bubu ne pono ni adena ye ne tantan say ya. And obetwe nya as a witness. I dey na mafini ya ne and he accepted this not because say Obama a critic of a IGP.
Exactly.
So Obama no criticize the IGP. It ye hunu so a post baby. No ma hunu so a post baby. Na say Obama video no nya no way. Ye hefo a my information. Omo na ye target nya wo. Na no ye kokko bubu ne pono. Ye kwasa se niam. Is that how you treat a state witness? You must be crazy to do these things. And he accepts say way you know. Let it make sense to me. Why you say that the person is assisting. When somebody is assisting you, the way you treat the person is different. Who invite anybody? Sometimes you don't even blow the cover of the whistleblower. In any logical society, so person penyampa, and then you say Obama will criticize the IGP, I criticize the MPP, I buy one penny for it. You must say, and look why you blow the cover. If it's a whistleblower, dear, must see any identity. Information. Now you say he is assistant. Now let's come to even the idea of putting people in handcuffs. So be assisted. Say young conquer investigation. Yeah, boy, yeah, the handcuff. I did muya de no. Let it make sense to me. Why you think that? Obi awamwa na ya say na afegovi the dignity of every young choir Danny fameko ateke wa here 15 1 and 2. Or see the dignity of every person in Ghana shall be inviolable. Precisely. Obi fa ahudi. That is Article 15 of the Constitution. It is obi a person meboa wo. E ma onye investigation. Ni dignity. Ni adna gu handcuffs. Na handcuffs ni ye ko gina wa. Na police for ni before say official picture no about. What say police for ni be e de omo private atwa nipa no. Na ye leaky out to social media. So you are humiliating the person rather than wanting him to assist you. There is nothing about assisting you. Ni ye de na gu handcuffs. Nipa also assist you. And I didn't go handcuffs. When the dignity of that person under the Constitution, it says that the dignity of a person shall be inviolable. The case be inviolable. Yentia so. Sabin producer. Edru moi kura. I'm running person who boom more dignity. It's obekum obi kura na. You must do so with some level of dignity.
Precisely.
It's Yankokai Section 303 of Criminal and Other Offences Act. Even a muakwa na mrane se ubutu abwa obono oya ya bone Section 303 or see cruelty to animals. A person commits the criminal offense of cruelty and is liable to a fine of not exceeding a year 25 penalty unit. Who cruelly beats, kicks, ill-treats, overloads, torture, infuriates, or terrifies an animal. Sabi a muakwa no. A mrane person be yoma ya kayaka. Now so obiaba. So mrame boa na investigation. Na momo no me de handcuff be gu nsa. Na me try the picture. You just want to humiliate him because he's an ardent critic of the IGP. Is that the society we are building? And we get our brothers on the other side happy about this nonsense. How is that? How is that? How is this idea of Nyakase Obi ya the handcuff of Gunisa? It's not as though Nipano now or resist the arrest. In any case, more arrest no. Kofi, se Obama, okra information, state no, uhia, opan wadema, upon farmer. Emre bia ni wa chire. If so call a criminal and other offences acting your friend be causing harm by omission. Causing harm by omission, you know. Say one no marshal, says a BB besia, prevent it, opposing sojourning, immigration. Would the marshal say BB besia by virtue of you being a police officer, prevent it. Now when you don't do so, that's a crime happier. And when you've caused harm by omission. Se Obama onye police ni, onye soldier ni, onye immigration officer. No law mandate him, no duty is bestowed upon him to give information when he doesn't want to. Nobody should sit there and do nonsense. We are building a society of law, not people doing what they like. Why do we sit there and allow this nonsense to triumph? Or in the name of political victimization? What kind of human beings are we? So say for Obama information, Opa, Opan whatever upon farmer, was say come and assist me with information. Now I know say baby I am kopa, you're causing a fear and panic. Publication of false news. What is false about the Obama post here? Is it not true that civilians were carrying guns, M16 and others? So what is false about it? And even with that crime of publication of false information, that alone is not a crime. Unless you are able to demonstrate or publicize this information, the public were in fear.
Exactly.
Who has come to report that he was in fear of a yes Obama video now posted? What nonsense are we building? Is that the society we want? And we sit down and we think this is okay. Govi, is this okay?
Never.
Say Obama because of criticizing IGP. Let the record shows that say Obama in several posts criticizes IGP simply because of the whole handle Boko issue. It you know people so challenge where power lies and other than that, I did a video na say Obama posted. And I know was a video na fatuso. It is your job as the number one chief security officer. Say Bibi Koswa. Obi be draw attention. It is a mranchen mabawa displays a video. And this video has been on the internet for God knows how long. So say Obama ko posti. Now say ko posti. Says civilians in a year having M16 and other guns. Is it not true these are civilians?
It's true.
So what is false about the video?
Ask them.
Now society near building. Society must be fair. We must treat each other equal.
Exactly.
Not because somebody is MPP or NDC.
Never.
We want him to assist. No be our best assist to a new copy court. We had no copy a circuit court. Say charges ben near their bono. Nipana who release in a say you want him to assist. We will do court a hunk of Sigunisa. I'm more normal. And then I'm more near my tantais. Did you? You're two Obama money and tongue or mine about. We are a nation of laws.
Exactly.
Even say Obama, and yet nobody say Obama a hunk of goodness. Well, anyway, is that how we treat people? Kofi says Obama ye bonimpa. Yanko ready article 1926 2C. Then if I make article 1926, was when a person is arrested, that person shall be presumed to be innocent.
Exactly.
A person charged with we go charge and there is a clear difference between a suspect, an accused, and a person of interest. And you treat him like an accused. Who accuse you anyway? And their charges now they are born. And no kwani 2C no then if I'm go 2C. Or say the person shall be presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Na no kwano wo ye ne ade afi ye se treating ye. ni egu n'animu ase ye pese se Obama ye de handcuff gu nsa ni etwa to ni e kire ne where power lies madwene na ya adwuma ni
abusia na ensem ni bi eno no ani nyina mu no na mosonfo Dan Kwesi Prince Daily View GH ye de ye ni edi akira ye be kwaso de ye ni edi akira na de be tofom bi anso ye de be so wo kasafidie so ye from Dan Kwesi Prince before I be jamekra mo amiako no JP Global Shipping se men kan tell say e ba se oti US o pese o shipping ye bi firama no ne de bog manga na mu a watoto ne bi o pese o di gu container mu ne defense so anase de fa wiem e de brewafo ni e kire JP Global Shipping Limited ne mu a se e cars door to door ni nyina ne be ye e de amount for numbers no discount so e wo ho a ofa na ofra ona waji emu enchire mu eyi ya from Dan Kwesi Prince Macron